Hi everyone, today I've got something a little different going on. I'm unboxing the Detroit headers that I won in a giveaway from this website called Diyauto. If you haven't heard of Diyauto or you're not a member, I highly suggest checking it out. It's like a forum for DIYs and builds of every vehicle out there. Signing up is free, just like any forum is, and in addition to all the builds and DIYs that people post, including myself, you can stand to win some pretty cool products when they do a giveaway. Right off the bat, I gotta say that I love the tape. I'm a huge sucker for personalized tape, and when you see that box outside and it's got unique tape on it, it's just immediately a cool feeling. Because this giveaway was through DIY Auto, I actually received some swag from them as well. So first thing when I opened up the envelope was the Rock Auto gift card, which will absolutely be used. That's awesome. Really appreciate that. Beyond that was the 2 air fresheners. I have one of those already actually hanging in the garage. Love them. One of these DIY Auto stickers, which I really like. They're matte finish and a little larger, as you can see. Super cool stickers. This little pamphlet about what DIY Auto is, who they are. And then 2 magnets, which I don't have, which is awesome because love some magnets for the toolbox. Next up is this awesome t-shirt. It's got the DIY Auto logo on the front. And on the back, there's a whole bunch of different side graphics of cars, which is really cool, along with the website. But if I've got one complaint, there's no wagon representation on here. Come on. Once I got through all the DIY Auto swag, the Detroit header stuff was at the bottom. There's a little pamphlet about all the different models. They have this really cool car paperclip. No idea where you guys got this, but I want more. But yeah, this pamphlet's great. It shows all the different models. They can even do custom orders. Really, really cool. All their information on there. Little business card here. And time to unwrap the trophy head. The packaging is really great. Nothing was broken, and it was all tightly packed and wrapped. And, as I pulled it out here, you can see it's perfect shape. Nothing wrong with it, and it looks great. This thing is seriously cool. Photos and videos don't do it justice, and I can't imagine how impressive the larger ones must be. On the backside, there's a little plaque. I assume that's like which number they made or something, and the little head is held onto the base with 2 screws. As cool as the large ones are in photos, and as much as I'd love something with V8 headers coming off of it, I honestly don't know where I'd hang it. So the size of this thing is perfect. I don't have a huge garage, I don't have a huge basement, and so I can fit this somewhere where I can enjoy it, and where my wife won't yell at me about it. I'd just like to end this video by saying that this isn't some sponsored influencer post. I won this in a giveaway, and there's nothing in the box, as you saw, that says, oh, you gotta make a post, or you gotta make a video, or anything like that. I made the video because I think DIY Auto is a really cool website. I think Detroit Headers makes a really cool product. They're both local to the Detroit area, and I just want to spread the word. And if you guys were thinking about buying one, I say go for it. If you've never heard of them, you check out their website. I just want to give a glowing recommendation. Really great guys, really great product, all around awesome.